Hey guys, welcome to techyroams. So today we will be learning how to insert video overlays in Adobe Premiere Rush. Once you create a new project, you will see this screen on your device screen. Click on Add Media on left and then on Graphics and then on Overlays. You will get the overlay option in this drop down here or over here. Now you can select a video overlay as per your choice. For example, let's take this one. Add this overlay, and then after it appears on the screen, you can edit it and also change the timing you want it to appear in the video. Then click Graphics on right to customize it and make some changes as per your convenience. Now let's take a look at how the example was customized. You can change the color of the small elements in overlay and then also edit the text, the font size and the style of the text and put whatever you want to type. So let's take a look at final product. I hope you found this video useful. So make sure you guys like and subscribe if you want to. Thank you.